box number 9 by Mindful Souls. I can't wait to get in here to see what goodies we've got. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video is this. So this is a Mindful Souls box. This is box number 9. So this box is unlike any other box that I do on my channel. I find this box so fascinating and satisfying. It doesn't have normal months like other boxes. So instead of getting a January box, a February box, these boxes are numbers. But let's open her up to have a sneak peek. Right, so we have the edit card. It has information on all the products that are in here, which is fab. We'll be looking at that throughout the video. We have this, which is an affirmation card, and this is an affirmation for acceptance. I love and accept myself the way that I am, and I love and accept others the same way. That's really nice. I like that. We have a little sticker. So this just says grow from inside. And then we have the products. So the products come in these gorgeous little canvas bags that have got Mindful Soul wrote on them. And we have something that smells delicious in here. It smells absolutely gorgeous. But yeah, let's just have a look at some information about this product. So this product costs $39.97. Or we can convert that to €44.97. And it just says here, there's 2 to 6 days on EU delivery. It's free delivery. You can cancel at any time. Money back guarantee. Secure and safe checkout. 100,000 happy customers. Wow. In your box you will get 6 to 8 different items. So the first box ships immediately and you'll get it within the next 2 to 6 days after ordering. All following boxes will ship on the 7th of every month. You can cancel at any time for any reason. So it says, get ready to experience a personally prepared spiritual growth journey. Advance on your path every single month. Sit back, relax, and let us prepare your first box. In each box you will find a variation of powerful crystals, gem jewelry, relaxing aromatherapy, mindful talismans, natural beauty products, monthly affirmations, detailed information guides, spiritual mystery items. It's time to focus exclusively on you. Explore new exciting collections of self-love items each month. Get ready to grow with new self-love rituals, learn about different crystals and their properties, kickstart or magnify your spiritual journey, enhance your meditation and healing practices, reduce stress and discover mindfulness. Yeah, so I can't wait any longer. I need to get in here and see what goodies we have in box number 9. So let's just do that. First product I want to show you is the product that smells so good, and it is this. And it just says Nature's Meditation Incense. Nature Meditation Incense is an original hand-rolled blend of night flower and jasmine, rare herbs, flowers and oils. Night flower and jasmine has been used in Ayurvedic medicine and homeopathy to improve health and treat ailments for centuries. Burn or Nature's Meditation Incense sticks to let the soothing floral aroma fill your room to cleanse negative energies and give yourself a natural immunity boost. They are going to smell so good when they are burning, because it smells so good now. I can only imagine what adding heat's going to do. Fantastic. So let's just have a little sneak peek inside so you can see them. They come in a little pouch, and then this is what they look like. So the first little bag that I have picked up, let's get in here. Ooh, colourful. Oh, that's so pretty. And it's silver. Yay, I love the silver. I don't wear gold much. Well, I don't wear gold at all, if I'm honest. Silver tone is for me. So this is absolutely gorgeous. Look at it. It just says chakra necklace. Balance in our hearts and souls leads to balance in all aspects of our lives. Gleaming stones of amethyst, lapis lazuli, I've murdered that, I do apologise, blue lace agate, rose quartz, citrine, carnelian and red jasper are aligned in a vertical pendant to mirror our 7 chakras or sacred energy centers. For a necklace to inspire harmony in the mind, body and spirit. Balance in our hearts and souls leads to steadiness in all aspects of our lives. So yeah, that is super, super pretty. So this is the next one. Oh, look how pretty that is. Oh, if only you could see, where's my phone? Look at this. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? This is a purple agate slice coaster. It is believed that agate alters the state of mind and fosters feelings of acceptance, balance, harmony, peace and appreciation. Agate generates and provides one with great wealth, luck, abundance, courage, love, protection and security. Use this agate coaster while having a coffee break, friendly gathering or just simply want to decorate your home. It's absolutely stunning. So the fourth item we have is, ooh, a little bracelet. Very nice. So what does it say about you? Golden Obstine bracelet. Obsidian's energy creates a protective shield that deflects negativity and repels attempts for others to assert power over us. Obsidian stones help us to uncover our unique skills and hidden talents while releasing blockages to our spiritual and personal growth. Having one special golden bead on this bracelet will help you achieve financial success and strengthens wealth's energy. Yes, lots of wealth, please. It's much, much needed. But yeah, look how pretty that is. It's not picking up how pretty that stone is there, that one odd stone, but it's so, so nice. The light goes through it. Perfect fit too. Number 5 we have is this. Ooh. That's certainly interesting. This is Selenite Cleansing Wand. It is a powerful cleansing and healing tool that has the ability to clear, protect and shield your energy body. And it is one of the few minerals that has healing ability to quickly unblock stagnant and negative energy, removing all energy blockages to create a fluid flow of energy throughout the body. It shields you from the outside influences, since one of the selenite healing properties is to evoke protection from the angelic realm. Place one on each of your windowsills to protect your space and raise its vibration. It gently magnifies the energy of anything that is placed upon them. Place your tumbled stones on top of them to clear their energy. It's so interesting to look at and feel. I don't know, can you see how nice that is? Got my own magic wand. The very last item we have in the box, it's not in a bag, but it is this. So this is Obsidian Stone Essential Oil Roller. Obsidian is a truth-enhancing volcanic glass. A strong protective stone, it forms a shield against negativity, blocks psychic attack and absorbs negative energies from the environment. It stimulates growth on all levels, urging exploration of unknown and opening new horizons. Simply open the cap of the roller, fill it with your favourite essential oil and let the obsidian infuse it with more goodness. Oh, yeah, and there you go, little roller ball there. So yeah, just pop your oil in. That is very interesting indeed. I wonder what oil I'm going to put in there. Probably lavender. And then on the edit card, just on the front, there's a little saying on there, and it just says, look for a way to lift someone up, and if that's all you do, that's enough. That is really, really nice. Right guys, so that was box number 9 from Mindful Souls. I absolutely love it. I love the crystals, I love gemstones, I love the meaning behind them. I think it's absolutely fantastic, and pretty at the same time. I think it's so good. What do you think? If you don't like them, maybe somebody you know loves them. But yeah, absolutely fantastic. I love opening these boxes. But comment down below and let me know, do you already get this box for yourself or a loved one? Basically concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.